Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand, is a huge metropolis offering a unique blend of traditional charm and modernity. Known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning scenery, and thriving tourist industry, Bangkok has become a popular destination for travelers from around the world. The Bangkok video, taken from the drone, gives an opportunity to see the magnificent panorama of the city from the height of a bird's flight. The view from the air demonstrates the vast metropolis in all its beauty, allowing tourists to look at its rich cultural heritage and vivid image. Bangkok City is located on the Chao Praia River, home to more than 8 million people. Bangkok's urban landscape is a fascinating combination of high-rise buildings, ancient temples, and lively street life. Tourism plays an important role in Bangkok's economy, attracting millions of tourists every year. From shopping in vibrant markets, such as the Chatuchak weekend market, to Thai massages in luxury spa parlors, this vibrant metropolis has an endless amount of entertainment. Travelers are often delighted with friendly locals, delicious cuisine, and stormy nightlife. Whether you explore historic places during the day or dive into the vibrant atmosphere of Khao San Street at night, Bangkok always leaves an indelible impression on its visitors. In conclusion, if you are planning a trip to Thailand, be sure to include Bangkok in your route. This dynamic city will leave an unforgettable experience filled with exciting adventures.